What's the matter? Hello, Americans. And other friends and subscribers around the world. Fuck you, man. Shit. Yeah, this ain't helping mushroom hunting much. And this is supposed to go on through for some reason, man, the last 3 or 4 years. Put you over here, kind of. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. But over the last 3 or 4 years, for some reason, on the 18th of April is when we find our first morel. And that's happened like 3 or 4 years in a row. I don't think we're going to find our first morel mushroom on the 18th of April this year. Alright, man, so, it's, still snowing. But I'm running down to other end of our property to check on the crick, see what you gotta keep seeing what is going. You know, we've had you know, if you've watched our channel and everything, man, we've had flooding and everything. I think I've got that taken care of. Doing some trenching, some ditching and stuff this year, but I always like to keep an eye on and see what the crick is doing. So I'm gonna run down there and check it out, dude. And it's still just dumping, man. It has been for about 4 or 5 hours. We got, looks like my road's pretty much clear, but man, probably a good ½ inch, man, in the field and everything. It's crazy. And we're in there, man, right now. I haven't shown any of it, but we're in starting seeds. We got to go run a gun here for a minute, in a few minutes, or in a little while. This kitty's cooking breakfast right now, dude. That's dark as crap. Boom! Hey, hey! So check out this. It's actually flowing pretty okay. Good, now the sun, here's where I trimmed off some of them as the UPS guy could get down my road. But looks like the sun's trying. Car just texted me, you know, and she lives down the, like 30 miles, 25, 30 miles south of us. And she said the sun was out and it was nice there. This is supposed to break up this afternoon. So, let's see what happens. I'm gonna go check out some of my trees over here. Oh, I can't hear you, dude, on the videos again, like always. And, dude, all I can tell you about that, you get what you get, man. If, why she couldn't hear me on the, come on, little feller. Come on, little fella, you be alright. But why she, is having problems hearing me on the last video, I don't know, man. Because like I told her, the only thing I can tell you, man, if you, and to bitch to me about it, dude, sorry, man. If you don't like what you're watching, then turn the damn channel. I don't give a shit. I'm showing what I'm doing, man. This is what you get, dude. Right now, you're getting a lot of damn snow. Oh my gosh, it sounds like it's gonna die. Look at that. Yeah, ½ inch. Let me check these trees too. Oh, that one looks like it's dead. Look at that, man. Yep, sure as crap, man. Dead. Well, shit.
Go. Hello, Americans and other friends and subscribers from around the world. Back again. Today we are doing rabbits. And this rabbit we did not grow, but it is from a friend of ours. She gave it to me. They gave them to us. We got 2 of them. So I'm going to cook this one up. I think that Kevin was talking about us raising rabbits on another video, but they're going to be the ones helping us get rabbits. Oh, you can come on in here.
Oh, I can.
Surprise guest.
Howdy.
Howdy.
That's just gonna say.
Yeah.
That's who we're getting our rabbits.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and cook this up. I am going to do fried rabbit, like you would fried chicken. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this down and take off all the legs and portion it out. And then we will jump back in. I don't think you want to watch me doing that with the rabbit.
Butcher it.
Yeah, butchering it. So there's a lot of good videos out there on YouTube if you want to know how to cut up a rabbit.
J-Lo0.
Yeah, J-Lo0 is actually awesome with all of his videos. So we'll be right back. Okay, we got the meat all cut up. Take a look down in here. You can see the back legs, the front legs, and then the back. And this is the main part of the back. I just cut it in 2. And I left the loin on the underside of the rib cage here because I'm going to save all this and I'm going to stew it down for jambalaya later. And then this is the belly. And I just got them rolled up there. There's 2 belly flaps. And I'm going to do the same with that for the jambalaya. I'm going to use those together. So I'm going to take my portions here that I've cut up and fry them over here. And I'm going to do it southern style, dredging it. And I've got in here half butter and half canola oil. Just use whatever kind of oils you like to cook with. So I'll take the first piece and just dip it into the bath of the egg. And then coat it all completely with the flour. And the flour, I've got a seasoning of just my favorite allspice, basically. It's like a Lowry's. I make it myself. And when you're doing that, you want to, as you're mixing it up, you want to be able to taste the spice in there over the flour. So you'll want to taste a little bit on your finger to see if you've got enough spice in there. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a bland coating. Put her in there like that. I'll get all of these done here and we'll continue frying and then we'll check and see how they look when they're all done. Okay, we're just going to turn them over, so I thought I'd show, turning them over and how beautiful they look. Oh, it smells so good.
They smell pretty good.
It smells really good. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to do some smashed potatoes and some asparagus. We had picked up some asparagus and I blanched it and froze it, so I've got that out in the freezer. Oh, look at that.
That was pretty.
Those look good. Let them finish cooking. Okay, let it cook on both sides. And I've got my handy dandy digital thermometer. And you want this temperature to be about 160. At least 160. On the smallest piece here, it is 162. Don't want it to dry out, so using the meat thermometer is a really good way. The thicker one here, let's see what he is. 162. 163, so that's good. And I'm going to check this one here to be safe also. Make sure not to hit a bone. Just in the meat. Yep. We are done. That is done. So I'm just going to take these off and let them sit for a few minutes while I prepare up the rest of our dinner. Well, the back sides are really nice and crisp. ruin that, so I'm going to turn them upside down. So thanks for joining us. We do enjoy the rabbit food. And when we do the, I'm actually going to leave that one on because on the side there, take the temperature, a jambalaya, the rabbit jambalaya. And when we do that, we'll be sure to share that with you guys too. Ooh, it's juicy. 142. I was moving up a little bit slower. Now he's maxed out at 147. So I'm still going to end the video, but that one, those leg ones there, I'm going to leave on for just a little bit longer. Turn them so that that is at the center of the heat source. So when we do the jambalaya, we will bring you guys along and share that one with you too. So, good Lord willing, and those cricks don't rise, we'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.